Deadlocks in Python Asyncio code are notoriously hard to track down by hand. Traditional debuggers often miss the subtle interleaving of coroutines that cause tasks to hang indefinitely. That's where AI-driven tools come in. Static analyzers like Pylint with Asyncio plugins can flag suspicious patterns, but they only catch a fraction of real-world cases. Newer entrants use machine learning models trained on thousands of concurrent programs to predict deadlock-prone sequences. Meanwhile, runtime monitors such as Asyncio-aware profilers can record coroutine life cycles and identify tasks that never complete. Some tools even simulate different event loop schedules to expose hidden race conditions. The key is matching the tool to your workflow: static checkers for CI pipelines, runtime monitors for production debugging, and simulation-based tools for complex systems. The takeaway is that no single AI solution catches every deadlock, but combining static and dynamic approaches dramatically reduces the time spent hunting these elusive bugs.